Hello, my people. You are welcome to this all-important topic: why a typical Igbo man would not want to run a DNA test on his children. For a couple of days now, I have been going around interviewing people on an activities entitled DNA Palaver. During the course of this exercise, I was able to gather enough information to be able to reach at this conclusion. As a matter of fact, I am going to give us a rundown of reasons why a typical Igbo man will not want to run a DNA on his children. Sit back and enjoy this wonderful topic. Now, number one, the Igbo man believes that marriage is sealed traditionally, religiously, and socially. Therefore, the Igbo man believes in the sanctity of marriage. Running a DNA on the children could be seen as a dishonor to this woman. Two, usually, Igbo people dislike discussing sensitive issues, such issues as infidelity, infertility, and paternity doubts. Hence, running a DNA on the children is seen as trying to trigger a discussion on an issue looked at as a taboo. Three, the Igbo man believes in the fact that a child is a child. Usually they say, nwa bụ nwa, which means a child is a child, no matter where it is coming from. And this is why it is usually easy for an Igbo man to adopt a child. Then, four, no man wants to be seen as not man enough to father a child. So there is this community pressure for a man to uphold his masculinity. Every man wants to uphold the fact that he is man enough to produce a child. So bringing the issue of DNA is a likely way of trying to expose the man that is not man enough. And no man wants to do that. In my next video, I'm going to continue with this topic to give us the remaining 6 reasons why a typical Igbo man would not want to run a DNA on his children. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Ndị Igbo amaka, maka na ndị Igbo amaka.